Guys, so welcome back to our channel. Today I brought you another makeup tutorial, and this time it's going to be on a look that I had already done. So my sister and I have been a little bit under the weather, so we haven't been posting so often like we usually do, and we do apologize for that. We're trying to come back on track for the new year, so we're hoping to post every week. We're trying to get there, guys, I promise. I'm bringing you another makeup tutorial, and this time it's going to be on a look that I had already done and I had posted on my Instagram, and I got so many DMs asking me, and I also had put it on my Snapchat, so I had a lot of girls asking me to do a tutorial on it, and I decided I was going to do a tutorial on it because it's really simple. Even though it looks a little bit tricky, it's actually not. It's just a lot of blending. This is the look. Let me see if I can find it. By the way, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, follow me on my Instagram. It's _Connie Perez, and this is the look that I'm going to be recreating again. So let me see if I can zoom in. So it's like a dark smoky eye with glitter and the neon green inner corners. This was a really fun look. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Obviously you guys already noticed that I already did my face makeup. You guys already know my face routine, like how I do everything else. I'm just gonna go in later on and contour, highlight, and blush and do all that fun stuff afterwards, but I really wanted to focus on the eyes this time because it was highly requested for me to do a tutorial on this look, so I really wanted to focus on the eyes mainly. My hair is messy. I know it's messy. I haven't been wanting to do anything to it. I've just been wanting to leave it like this alone, and yeah, I've just been lazy with it, so sorry guys. But anyways, so this is the palette I'm going to be using. It's the Dare to Create 39 Morphe eyeshadow palette, and when I'm telling you guys that this palette comes through, it comes through. Like, you have your nudes, your colorful colors, your shimmers, you have everything that you probably could use to create any look that you wanted. So yeah, so this is the palette that I'm going to be using. So to start off, I'm obviously going to start with my transition color, this color right here. So we're just going to place that on our crease. We're going to keep it here. And then I'm just going to wing it out. The next color that I'm placing on my eyelid, this color right here, and it's just kind of a dark brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a half circle, and then just kind of blend my way through. Now I'm taking the darkest color on the palette, which is this really dark jet black. And so I'm bringing it very low because once we start blending, it does end up rising a little bit more because we obviously want the transition colors to stand out. So I'm going to keep it here. Then I'll just go back with a clean brush and blend the edges. Okay, now that we got those colors all blended out, we're gonna move on to the glitter. This time for this look, I used the NYX glitter, and they were actually on sale. So I bought the little mini ones, and the one I'm going to be using this time is the black glitter. And at first when I got it, I was like, black glitter, I feel like it's not really going to stand out. But this one specifically has black glitter, but also it has like multi-color in it, like if that makes any sense. So it pops out. It's not actually like all black, it has different colors in it. So I'm obviously going to use the NYX glitter primer. And with this part, you just actually want to work in sections. So what I do is I pick up a little bit of the glitter primer and I put some in the section where I want it to be. In this case, I'm going to keep it on the actual lid, on the bottom lid. Go in with the flat brush and actually apply the glitter on. The glitter primer does actually dry pretty fast, so you do want to work kind of quickly. For my underwater line, I did go in with the same color, the same transition color that we used. Put this color right on top. And just to make my under eye look a little darker, I did go in with this darker brown here. Now for my inner corners, the color that I used was on this Prism Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and it was Sapphire. And this neon color right here. This color definitely made my eyeshadow look way better. I mean, at first when I did it, I was like, I'm just gonna leave it like that. But then I was like, what if I end up like putting in a pop of color? And I saw the palette and I was like, oh my god, do I dare? And I did. So Sapphire, and I got a little bit and placed it right in the inner corner. Alright, so now moving on to falsies, I'm using Sweetheart Lashes in the style Amber. So I'm going to pop these on really quickly and then I'll be right back. Alright, so lashes are on. And guys, I definitely recommend, if you're going to work with any type of glitter, try to do your eyeshadow first and then do your face makeup, because I did get a lot of little glitter that I just can't. I mean, I'm gonna end up taking it all off, but it takes a while. Like, I've just been using like a little spoolie to take it off, but you can see that I'm kind of removing my foundation also. So a little tip for you guys, try to do your eyeshadow first before you do your face makeup, because that way you can just wipe it off with the wipey or something, other than getting all the fallout on your foundation and then try to removing it and ruining your foundation. So yeah, just a little tip. I'm just gonna finish off my makeup. I'm gonna bronze with the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I recently purchased this bronzer and I didn't think it would be good because for some reason I've just kind of been wanting to buy more high-end makeup than drugstore makeup, but some of this drugstore makeup is actually good, and this Physicians Formula bronzer is bomb. Like, I honestly liked it. The reason why I bought it is because I saw Tina Halada use it a lot and I was like, it looks so pretty, like when she puts it on. So I'm just gonna try it because some makeup isn't just for everyone, and this bronzer came through. The formula is really good and it smells like coconut. A little bit of blush. I'm using the NYX blush and the color Sugar Mama. I usually use this blush, just no surprise. Now for lips, I'm using the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lipstick and the color Shy. Just like always, I'm going to set everything together using my Cover FX mattifying spray. Completes the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like I made it pretty easy for you guys to follow. I hope I did, so please let me know in the comment section below if I made it easy for you guys. I think it was just all about blending and just kind of keeping the colors where you wanted them to be, and yeah. Look, I really love it. I feel like it's so festive, it's so retro. It's definitely a look I would wear to go out like in a date at night or something. Definitely recreated the look again for you guys. I just feel like I made myself look a little bit more tanner this time comparison to the picture, but that's okay. But your request was my command. I recreated the look you guys wanted me to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, please don't forget to subscribe before you. We will be having more makeup tutorials for you guys, and a lot more than makeup tutorials, so just be ready for that. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back in my next video. Bye.